Welcome to e-commerce store in PHP and MySQL with the assistance of Bootstrap from Computerfever.com. Friends, in previous video I started making this footer and I made it till this level. So for doing the remaining work over it, I go to my Notepad++ code editor. This is the footer.php page. So I take the scroll bar down and I come out of this the closing div of call md3 call md6 ends right under it. I make one more div start and div close, and I assign a class to it, class call md3 call sm6. Now I comment it. I copy this command and paste it at the closing div. Ends. Now I come under it and I make one h4 tag, h4 start and h4 close, and here I write top products. Categories. I make one UL tag, UL start and UL close under the h4. And I comment it, UL start and UL ends. Li start and li close inside the UL. I have made li tag and anchor tag inside the li. Anchor start and anchor close. A href is equal to double quotes and dummy hash sign. And here I write jackets. So friend, I delete it and I just duplicate this li, Control D few times, and now I just change the text. Second is accessories. Third one is shoes. Then coats and t-shirts. I delete the last two ones. Control S to save. Now I come out of this UL and I make one HR tag for drawing a line. And assign a class is equal to double quotes hidden dash md hidden dash lg. Now I come out of the closing div of call md3 call md6 ends. Right under the call md3 and call md6 ends, I make one more div start and div close, and I assign a class to it, call md3 call sm6. Now I comment it. Starts, call md3 and call sm6 starts and ends. I make one h4 tag inside this div, h4 start and h4 close, and here I write where to find us. P tag, P start and P close. Now I comment it, P starts and P ends. Now I make one strong tag, strong start and strong close for making the text bold. And here I write Computerfever Ltd Limited. Now one BR tag for line break. This is the address, Side Park, one more BR for one more line break, Lahore. One more BR and cell number, my cell number. Now email address after making one more BR, sad.ahmed4x24@gmail.com. One more BR. Now after this BR, I made one more strong tag, strong start and strong close. And here I write my name, Muhammad Tahir Ahmed. Now I come out of this P ends and I make one anchor tag, anchor start and anchor close. Ahref is equal to double quotes contact.php, the page which will be made later on in this course. Go to contact us. Go to contact page or contact us page, it does not matter, whatever you write. So friend, now I am going to come out of closing div of call md3 and call md6 ends. So friend, I forgot to put one hr for drawing a line. So after putting this hr and assigning it a class, class is equal to double quotes hidden dash md and hidden dash lg. So now I go out of closing div of call md3 and call sm6 and I make one more div under it, div start and div close, and assign it a class, call md3 and call sm6. I comment it and paste it here, starts. Copy this whole comment and paste it at the closing div. Now I make one h4 start and h4 close. Get the news. Now I make one p tag, p start and p close, and I assign it a class is equal to double quotes text dash muted. Now I go to my Chrome browser for watching the preview or for copying the text. First I copy some text, so I have copied it and paste it here, dummy text. So now I come out of p tag and I make one form tag, form start and form close. Define it as action, double quotes mean empty, and method will be post. Form starts and form ends. And inside the form I make one div start and div close. And I assign it a class is equal to double quotes input dash group. Now I comment it, input dash group starts I copy this comment and paste it at the closing div, and here I write ends. Now I make one input tag inside it and define it is type is equal to double quotes. Its type will be text and I assign a class to it, class is equal to double quotes form dash control. I assign a name to it for calling it in PHP, email. Now I make one span tag, span start and span close. Now I define a class to this span tag, input dash group dash btn. Now I copy it for making it a comment. I copy this comment and paste it at the closing span tag. Now I make one more input tag and define it is type, input type is equal to double quotes submit. Its value will be shown inside the field. Subscribe, there is a mistake in subscribe spelling. Now I assign a class to it, class is equal to double quotes btn space btn dash default. Control S to save. Control S to save. So friend, now I come here and now I refresh this page. Now you are watching that this kind of footer has been made. If I go to my demo thing here also you are watching this footer. Friend, only these icons are still remaining. Stay in touch. But this video has been made enough lengthy and I am yet to stylize this footer in my style.css, but I will do the remaining work in next video. So I see you in next video.